Hi guys, this is Ahmad. I am dissecting a frog for you guys today. So, first of all, we have this pre-cut. I got it like this. So this is the muscle right now. So we're just going to snip a little of this off. But I forgot. First, you're going to want to break the arms. There we go. There's another one. Okay, that should be good enough. Don't cut into the frog when you're cutting the skin, okay? Now, we're going to quickly go into the jaw. You're going to have to break the jaw. So when you open it, you're going to have to break it. There we go. Now, a frog's tongue is a lot different than a human tongue. A frog tongue starts at the front. So here is the tongue that we need to cut. Just gonna go under it. This is where it's connected. So just gonna cut that off. And we should, yep, there. Here is the tongue. We're just gonna put that in that corner right there. Oh yes, forgot, break the legs. There we go. Breaking it just makes it more minute. I'm gonna cut across the skin. You can rip it if you want. Always cut to about the shoulder because the lungs and the heart are around here. This is the sternum, and the sternum is connected to the from the bone thing. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to cut the muscle right here. Then cutting an abdomen. It needs a good, stable abdomen. Going to get to the organs anytime soon. There are the organs. Okay, so right here we're going to have to cut through the sternum, which is a bone. There. It's not too hard to cut through. We're going to have to peel the ribs back, so you're going to have to basically break the ribs. There we go. Now I'm just going to rip it open. So let's get those fat bodies out. But this is the liver, okay? Now, we're going to take out the liver. Now, the liver has three parts. The right lobe. No, this is the right lobe that I'm taking out. This is the right. Let me check quickly. The camera's aligned. This is the left lobe. It's right over here. So we're just going to have to pull that out, or we can use our tweezers. This frog is very juicy, by the way. If you wanted to know. Okay. Okay, we got a little of the liver out. Okay, we'll worry about that piece later. Just know that we just took out the liver. That is the frog's heart. The heart is responsible for cutting blood, and just so you know, the liver is regulates most of the chemical levels in the frog, the human. We're going to try to find the gallbladder, which should be somewhere in this mess. Now, I'm going to have to cut a little of this stuff off. I'm sorry. Oh. Well, that's most of the heart. There we go. So here is the heart. Now this is just part of the liver. So we're going to keep all the liver over here. Then here's the heart. We're just going to keep that over there. For now, at least. I'm trying to find the gallbladder, which should be under the liver. It might still be connected. So here are some of the fat bodies right over there. Now we're going to take those out. You still have to dissect that, even though it's fat. So we're going to take out the stomach. The stomach is the shrimp-like structure in the frog. There's a few strings it's still connected to. Just snip that off. There. This is the frog. Sorry. The gallbladder is usually under the liver. So it's still attached by accident. I accidentally cut it out. But the gallbladder is located below the liver. So we're just going to take that off. The gallbladder stores all the bile in the body. Okay, so there's the gallbladder. It looks like a pea. Here are the small intestines. Here's the big boy. No, this is the stomach. The big boy is down there somewhere. You'll get around that. So, the stomach is connected to the small intestines. We're just going to take that off. And in all this mess, we're going to have fat bodies. There's a lot of fat bodies all around here. Now, I've been saying fat bodies a lot, and you might not know what it is. So basically, let me just unconnect that. That's just unneeded blood tissue. These are blood vessels and veins, so we don't really need those. Let me get this out. Small intestine that we're about to cut off is responsible for sucking out all the nutrients. It further digests, basically, and absorbs the nutrients. Okay. It's still attached to a lot of blood tissue, and that is not needed right now. That's just getting in our way. So, I'm just going to cut that off. Bamzos, done. So the small intestines are really, really, really long. Oh yeah, by the way, the liver is located. Should be around there. So that's where the liver is. Here are all of our fat bodies we need to take out. Fat bodies, that's the lungs. We'll take that out later. Fat bodies are responsible for giving the frog warmth and insulation, kind of filling up what is there. And they're also basically energy that the frog is storing. So, I think we just took the small intestines out. Yeah. We already did. We took off some of the stomach with it, but those are the small intestines. They're spiraling around. Took some of the stomach off with it, but it's okay. The large intestine is located towards the bottom of the. Don't worry, just don't touch that. It's fine. It's not gonna kill you. Oh, God. Okay, this is gross. Okay. Organs back that we took out, but we only took out 2. So this is the large. Where'd it go? I dropped it. I was looking it up. This is the large intestine. Part of the testes. The testes are pale white, just so you know that. So they're kind of pale. You may want to look that one up. Okay, so this is some fatty tissue. The spleen with it. Now the spleen is usually attached to the testes, and if you get a female, you're going to be filled with frog eggs. So we're going to take that out. Well, we can't. Just going to leave that. You were wondering. Now, here, this blue stuff right here, those should be the kidneys. Now, we're going to have to take that out. The kidneys are located in the back of the frog usually. Okay. So, let's just keep taking the kidneys. That's one. Oh, we have a big blood vessel. So, we took out basically all of the liver. If you want to know, that's the spine. And here we are. So we already took the, the heart. Now we're just going to take out the lungs. The lungs are deflated because it's dead. So usually they would probably be pink and they would be full. The lungs are responsible for breathing air. We're going to have to take out the eyes. But So we're just taking basically the lens out. Just gonna use maybe your tweezers. Okay, so right here we have the lens. I'm not sure if you can see that. Here, the lens. That's one. There is another lens. Okay, we're gonna make a quick roll call before we take out the brain here. Now, okay. So here we have the stomach. We have the spleen. Now the spleen is usually located above the testes, but it's also under the stomach. Remember that. The large intestine should be around here somewhere. Large intestine is located by the rectum. It is down here usually. It's towards the bottom of the frog. It's usually by the rectum. Now, the gallbladder is located. The gallbladder, by the way, it looks like a pea. It's right here. Here's the gallbladder. It's stored by it. But it is located under the liver. The liver is on top of everything, okay? The liver is located under the lungs. It's usually around here, and it's above everything else. It's the first thing you need to take out. Now, the lungs are right here. We have the heart. Most of it. Then we have the testes. We have the islands. That's one of them. Then we're going to take out the brain. The other eyeball is right here. Okay. Okay. So first what you're going to do is make an incision. This will probably be the hardest organ that you're going to take out. Oh yes, by the way, the frog is similar to a human because it has 2 lungs and it has an esophagus. Do everything you can to get an incision into this bad boy. So that's the skull. Skull's up here. The brain is protected by the skull. I think we exposed it. I'm not sure. This looks like it's... I think that's it. Right up there, right? That's good? Okay. So, that's dissecting the frog. Just wait. Here's the liver. We already did the roll call basically, so livers are over here. Mostly. Now, that's just the kidneys. Those are the kidneys. Here are the lungs. Here is the heart, the small intestines. This is the stomach. Tissue. That's part of the heart, by the way. This is the rest of the liver. Then here are one of the lenses, and here's the other. Here are the fat bodies, the spleen, the testes are spread around. that's pretty much it. The gallbladder is hanging around here somewhere, but I already showed you it multiple times. Thank you, and have a good day.